In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Element app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is where you can find and download a wide range of applications. The Play Store icon typically resembles a colorful triangle. Once you tap on it, the store will load, showcasing various apps and games. You'll see popular apps or recommendations based on your previous downloads. This step is crucial because the Element app is only available through the official Google Play Store, ensuring you get the genuine version without any risks. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Element. The search bar is usually easy to spot and it becomes highlighted as you tap on it. Once you begin typing, suggestions may appear below, but make sure to type the full name for the best results. This action helps the Play Store filter through its extensive library to find the app you want. It's essential to input the correct name so you can locate the official version of the app without confusion. Now, select the official Element Secure Messenger app published by Element. You will see a list of results after your search. Make sure to look for the app with the correct icon and the name that matches what you typed. This is important because there may be other similar apps, and selecting the right one ensures you download the authentic Element app. By choosing the official version, you are also securing your data and privacy, which is a key feature of the Element app. After that, tap Install. This button is typically located right on the app's page, and it should be clearly marked. Once you tap it, the download process will begin. You may see a progress bar indicating the status of the download. This is a reassuring sign that the app is being installed on your device. The installation process usually takes just a few moments, depending on your internet connection speed. Once the installation is complete, you will see an option to open the app directly from the Play Store. Tapping on Open will launch the Element app for the first time. This is an exciting moment because you are now ready to start exploring the app's features. By opening it right away, you can jump into setting up your account and using all the functionalities it offers. Remember that the app will also need some permissions to work smoothly, which you might be prompted to accept. In conclusion, downloading the Element app on your Android device is a straightforward process. It begins with accessing the Google Play Store, searching for the app, and completing the installation. Following these steps ensures you have the right app installed, keeping your communications secure. If you have any questions about the process or encounter any issues, feel free to refer back to this video. You can always revisit the Play Store to check for updates or reinstall if necessary. Thank you for watching and enjoy using the Element app.